Hey friends, this is Sejal and welcome to my channel. If you did not subscribe yet, please consider clicking on subscribe button. Today let's make healthy and delicious dessert mango chia pudding. It's very easy and quick to prepare. So let's begin. First, take 2 cups of coconut milk, half cup of chia seeds and 4 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Now take a medium sized bowl and add all 3 ingredients and stir well so it gets mixed together. Now cover it with plastic wrap or lid and put it in refrigerator for about 2 hours. Then take 2 medium sized mangoes and peel and dice them. Keep some mango pieces aside for garnishing on the top and take other diced mangoes in a blender and blend it well to make a smooth puree. Now cover it with plastic wrap or lid and put it also in refrigerator for around 2 hours. After 2 hours, take both of them out of refrigerator. I'm using this 1 tablespoon and 1 by 4 cup for measurement so I can equally distribute this among all the cups. To make individual servings, I'm using these small dessert cups. Friends, one tip here. Put these empty cups in refrigerator for 5-10 minutes before filling them up so it will help to hold those layers at its place when you are pouring another layer over top of it. First make mango layer and then add chia seed layer and repeat it. To spread the layer, you can use small spoon. Now top it with finely diced mangoes so our healthy yummy dessert is ready. You can serve it immediately or you can cover it with plastic wrap and keep it in refrigerator until ready to serve. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.